Hello. Good day, everyone. I'm presenting the Introduction to Social and Professional Issues course, ITEP 302, Module 3. So my name is Clarence D. Dixon and I'm from 3 SMP1. The table of contents of my presentations are what is software quality, software quality defect management approach, software quality attributes approach, software quality resources, 5 reasons why software quality matters, the importance of quality in software development, 5 reasons quality is important, different strategies that drive software quality. So what is software quality? Software quality refers to the desirable attributes of software products, focusing on meeting functional requirements and expectations. So it encompasses various attributes such as reliability, maintainability, performance, usability, and security, which ensure that the software delivers value and operates effectively under different conditions. There are two primary approaches to software quality. Defect management approach. This involves identifying, categorizing, and managing software defects. Quality attributes approach. Software quality is defined by adherence to documented functional and performance requirements, development standards, and users' needs. Software quality defect management approach. This focuses on identifying, categorizing, and managing defects that fail to meet end users' requirements. Common defects include issues in requirements, design, logic, data relationship, timing, validity, checks, and coding. So these defects can arise in various areas, including unclear requirements, flawed design, logical errors, incorrect data association, timing issues, inadequate validation, or coding mistakes. Software quality attributes approach. The software quality attributes approach focuses on evaluating software based on fixed quality models like ISO, IEC 25010-2011. So this model outlines 8 key characteristics: functional suitability, reliability, operability, performance efficiency, security, compatibility, maintainability, transferability. So it also includes a quality in use model with 5 characteristics. These are effectiveness, efficiency, satisfaction, and usability. This comprehensive approach ensures software not only performance in its intended task but also provides long-term value through ease of maintenance, seamless integration, and adaptability to different environments. Software quality resources. IT processes improvements. Improve IT processes reduce defects by 16%, increase previews by 68%, and identified 59% more issues before production. Quality certification in India's software industry. Certifications support total quality management and enhances operational performance. Integrating PSP, TSP, and Six Sigma. Combines personal and team software processes with Six Sigma to measure and analyze and improve software development using statistical tools. End users' perceptions of software quality. A ServQual-based tool was used to assess service quality in a computerized driver licensing test, illustrating the quality attributes approach. Lastly, the selecting software quality management tools. Evaluation models focus on either product quality or process quality to ensure comprehensive software quality management. These approaches are important because they focus on improving quality in various ways, such as reducing defects, enhancing the efficiency, and ensuring alignment with industry standards. By improving IT process, increasing peer reviews, and identifying issues earlier in production, software reliability and user satisfactions are significantly improved. 5 reasons why software quality is important. Number 1 is predictability. High quality software leads to fewer reworks, consistently productivity, and on-time delivery, while poor quality makes projects harder to manage and increase the risk of delays. Reputation. Building a reputation for quality software attracts customers and strengthens the brand. However, poor quality can quickly damage this reputation and hurt sales. Number 3 is employee morale. Employees who take pride in creating quality software are more productive and satisfied. Poor quality, rework, and missed deadlines can lower morale and increase turnover. Customer satisfaction. Quality software leads to happy customer, repeat business, and positive referrals, especially with the power of social media. Poor quality can also spread dissatisfaction quickly. Lastly is the bottom line. Predictable performance, a strong reputation, happy employees, and satisfied customer contribute to the success and profitability of the business. Software quality is crucial for a strong bottom line. So it also helps build a strong reputation, attracting customers, and strengthening the brand, whereas low quality software can quickly damage this reputation and hurt sales. It boosts employees' morale by fostering pride in producing high quality work, which leads to higher productivity and satisfactions, whereas poor quality and and can lead to frustration, rework, and higher turnover. The importance of quality in software development. Software is integral to daily life, impacting various sectors like finance, healthcare, and more. It drives competitiveness and globalization, but also demands responsibility from users and developers. As technology advances, software quality becomes crucial for businesses to stay competitive. High quality software enhances the user's experience and improves life quality. So, software plays a critical role in modern society, influencing industries such as finance, healthcare, and beyond. It fuels global competition and innovation, but also requires careful handling by both developers and users as technology evolves. Maintaining high quality becomes essential for software or business to remain competitive. Quality software not only delivers a better user experience but also contributes to overall improvements in efficiency and quality of life. 5 reasons quality is important. Number 1 is safety. Poor software can be dangerous as it may affect software's functionality, potentially harming human life or safety. Number 2 is cost. Fixing quality issues is expensive, especially if defects are identified late in the development process. Doing it right the first time is more cost effective. Customer satisfaction. Poor quality, or we can call it internal, poor quality can lead to dissatisfied stakeholders who may seek alternatives or outsource work elsewhere, impacting the team and organization. Customer satisfaction, external. Software that doesn't work well or is difficult to use can quickly fall in the market, and negative feedback on social media can further harm the brand. Number 5 is future value. High quality software allows for more time for future projects and features, while boosting team morale, which enhances productivity and long-term success. So quality is important because poor software can compromise safety, potentially harm by failing to function properly, while fixing defects, especially when discovered in late in development, become costly, making it more cost effective to get it right. Low quality software can also lead to dissatisfied internal stakeholders who may seek alternatives or outsource work, negatively affecting both team and the organization. And software that doesn't work effectively or is hard to use can quickly fail in the market with the negative feedback on social media, further damaging the brand. Different strategies that drive software quality. Achieving perfect software quality is challenging as development is an ongoing process with varying strategies in the 2000s. Dynamically typed languages like PHP and Ruby gained popularity, offering flexibility and reducing cognitive loads. The move fast and break things mentality emerged, emphasizing quick iteration at the risk of mistakes. Meanwhile, practices like test-driven development and clean code gained attention, advocating for writing tests first and maintaining simple pure functions. So what's important is that software development is ensuring high quality by focusing on reliability, efficiency, maintainability, user experience, and scalability to create dependable, cost-effective software that meets both current and future needs. So that's all for my presentation, and thank you guys for listening.